I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder of connecttothekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. So today, what are we gonna do? We are gonna create a clock app. Yes, you heard me right. So today, we are gonna create a clock using Python. So without any delay, let's get started. Then I am the co co-founder of Thanks to the Kids. Okay. So now I'll minimize my screen. You all remember date and time, right? So this app, the clock app, we are gonna create with the date and time module. So here is the code, guys, and first I'm gonna run it so that you see. You see right now in my clock it's 12:04 p.m. right? So it's getting the correct time. It's getting what day is it today? Monday. It's getting which month is it? March. It's getting what date it is, and then it's getting the year, and then it's getting the current time. Now, like it's getting 12:04:15, right? So let's just wait. Now, like for example, you think it's not gonna update. That's not true. So here you see 12:04:52. So it has changed. It updates as it happens, right? And now you see it's 12:04:52 it got. Then it got 12:05 immediately. So basically it was getting the correct time because seconds are very short, right? So basically it was showing 52 seconds, and after that it got like in 8 something seconds it got 12:05. So it was getting the correct time. Okay, and if I run it again, you see it's getting 12:05:29, right? So this is a very small code. So I'm gonna full screen this. Yeah, and now where am I? Come on, go, 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 go! Okay, so first we're gonna import datetime. Obviously, if we are gonna use datetime, we have to import datetime. Then we are making a datetime object and naming it x, right? So datetime.datetime.now, right? So we are making a datetime object. Then we are doing print x strf time. So first remainder and capital A. Sorry. So remainder capital A is basically what day is it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like what, right? Now wait a second, guys. So remainder A, it gets the full name, okay? Weekday full name. Yeah. So it gets the full name. Basically, today is Monday, and right now, what does remainder B? Remainder B, it's always so difficult. So remainder B, what it does, it gets the month name, but in short form. So it's March, so it got the short form as MAR. Then it's remainder D. So remainder D, what it does is basically what date it is in this month. So today, basically, for example, 13th, is it 28th, like that, okay? Now it is remainder Y, so it gets the remainder capital Y. So it gets the whole like 2022, right? It gets the full one. Now remainder H, remainder capital H, gets the hours. Then I've given a this colon so that in time it's like much better to understand. Then wait. Then is our remainder N. It gets the minutes, and remainder S gets the seconds. Okay, so basically what is it? We imported date time. We made an object of date time. Then we are using that object and printing our current date and time. How this remainder A gets that weekday, what is it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. Remainder B gets the short form of the month. Today, like this March, so MAR, it gets March. Okay. Now remainder D, what it does is basically it gets what date is it in this month. Basically, is it 28th? Is it 13th? Is it 15th? Okay. Now remainder Y gets the year, what year it is, and the full form as we have given a capital Y. The full like 2022. Okay. Remainder H gets the R, remainder M gets the minutes, and remainder S gets the seconds. I've given a colon because in times there are always colon and it is much easier to understand. So now let's run this module. What time is it? 12:09. Okay. What time is this getting? 12:09. Okay. Monday, March 28, 22, 12:09. Okay. Now let's compare this. Okay. So basically, I've told you already, guys. So yeah, guys, we have created our clock, and while creating our clock, we have even revised the date time module. Right, guys? So this was the clock which we have created using Python, and you saw it was so cool and such a small code, like 3 lines code, seriously, and we have created a whole clock. That's cool, guys. And we are here at the end of the video. So guys, thank you guys so much for viewing this video, and I hope you are creating these apps too. If you are getting any ideas, create this, create that, you can definitely write it in the comments so that I can create that app and show you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Yeah. So, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that if I post any of my videos, you will always get a notification so that you can watch it. So thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Yeah. 3, 2, 3, 2.